Hello everyone. In today's video, let's understand who is a BIM coordinator. So, a BIM coordinator, you can check out, he is a coordinator, and coordinator means he works between multiple stakeholders. Let's take an example of one engineering consulting company. Okay, there is one engineering consulting company in which there are multiple teams working. For example, there is like architecture team, there is like structure team, and again there is one MEP team. So architecture team will be having BIM architects, BIM modelers, also maybe BIM engineers who develop architecture model. So I'm talking about BIM model. Then again in a structure, also along with the design team, there will be BIM team who is working on BIM modeling. In MEP also the similar team will be there. There will be design team, along with that maybe there are some BIM modelers or BIM engineers. So in this team you see there's a team of like I can say BIM modelers. Here also there's a team of BIM modelers and BIM engineers, and also there are like designers included here. So there is one or two BIM coordinators required to maintain a proper communication between multiple teams. If there is no BIM coordinator, then there will be no communication and coordination between all of these teams. That is like one major role of a BIM coordinator. Along with that, BIM coordinator collects model from architecture, structure and MEP, and he will combine all the models. Like he will create one model, and whatever the issues are coming up into that one model, he solves. The issues means maybe for example there are clashes. So there are for example maybe clashes like duct is clashing with the structural column, or maybe the ceiling height is getting reduced. So all of these type issues will be raised by a BIM coordinator. And definitely BIM coordinator will be working under BIM manager and also can lead a team of BIM modelers or BIM engineers, also included maybe with the BIM architects. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, then please subscribe our channel so we can upload this kind of regular videos on the channel and you can stay updated with the BIM skills.